look at Tropicana. There ain't even no sidewalk. There you can barely see the sidewalk. This tree's right up there. You're goddamn late. Here's the sidewalk. What the fuck? What the fuck? Whoa.